nice green bottle. It's got a deer on it. All right, what's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the Burly Bartender. Y'all know me by now, been at this a little while. So today we're gonna be doing a different kind of video. Instead of your typical making your drinks that I've been doing, we have a couple videos where I'm gonna be unboxing some high-end liquors, stuff you don't just find in any typical bar. It's expensive. So be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and check it out. All right, cool. I'll see y'all. Okay, so we got some Glenfiddich 12 year. This is a fine Scotch, single malt Scotch whiskey. Comes in a nice little, I don't even know what you call this, a liquor tin canister. This is how you know you're drinking good shit. It don't just come in a plastic bottle, you feel me? We're gonna take off the lid. Look at that nice green bottle. It's got a deer on it. 12 years, aged Scotch whiskey. 40% alcohol. Sorry, it took me a minute to find it. It goes for about $40 to $70 a bottle, and it's about $20 a shot if you're in the DC area. It ranges. I don't know where you're gonna find it cheap. So now we're gonna put it back in the case.